Put my chick inside some Louis and some Valentino. Put my bro inside some Gucci and some Moschino. They want my money like it's a casino.
Alright, what's good, guys? It's Poku Banks, baby. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And KSI, man, invested £2 million in November/December of 2020 into cryptocurrency. Today, we're gonna go over the mistakes that KSI made, which led him to lose his whole investment and £7 million worth of profit in cryptocurrency. KSI. Now the thing is, a lot of people, think that just because you're rich, just because you got money, you automatically know how to manage money. You know how to invest money. You know what to do with money. You're supposedly a master when it comes to money, but that's clearly not the case. So cool. The first mistake you made is that you thought life was a Disney movie. You thought that life was very easy. You thought you could just invest 2 mil just like that and make 100 M's. That's what you thought, clearly. Because you thought you was going to become the Nets. You thought you was going to make a big flip. That's what you thought. Bro, do you not ever think to cash out? I know it's easy to speak in hindsight, but as the article states, you invested the money into Bitcoin. Now, as you all know, with the price Bitcoin's at $20,000, $40,000, $60,000, we all knew it's very, very safe to say that the gains you're gonna make with Bitcoin aren't that big. They're not that crazy. The gains that you're gonna make with Bitcoin, they're not that crazy. Because again, for you to make a 5 to 10 times return on your investment, Bitcoin from 20K needs to go to 100K or 150K for you to make such gains. So again, you picking Bitcoin initially just to flip your money, that was the first mistake. What you should have done is that you should have looked into some altcoins. We're talking the low cap coins that have way more further growth potential to do. Even Doge itself, if you're going at 3 cents, you would have seen a lot of money. So again, that was one of the first mistakes. Yes, I understand Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're the safe bets that you're gonna make. But look, if you're making a safe bet, then have realistic goals. Look to be making 100% gain return on your money or 200% gain and then come out. The thing is, right, I think what people forget is that you try to compare your 100% gains to someone else's 100% gains. 100% on 2 mil is another 2 mil. But if you're investing only 2K, 100% is 2 grand. You probably took advice from someone that only has 2 grand in their portfolio and they're talking about, we're looking to make 10 times returns on our money. That's what we're looking to do only, nothing less. But you're investing 2 mil. You need to be taking advice from people that are investing that type of money, 7 figures. So again, I feel like that's one of the first mistakes. You just got a little bit too greedy, and I can't blame you. Again, greed is a human nature. Greed is a part of human nature. It's just how it goes. That's just the game, and I can't blame you at all. But again, this kind of leads on to my next point. Your second mistake that you made. Where on earth was your financial advisor? Look, your KSI, your net worth is over 20 mil pounds? Why don't you have a financial advisor or maybe a crypto advisor? Me, for example, I don't feel like I know everything. I don't act like I know everything. But what I will say is that I have some advisors, I have people that I pay for some sort of advice and guidance on cryptocurrency. So it can help me with making my investments. So for you, and furthermore, my net worth is nowhere compared to yours. So, and I have a big network of people that are great when it comes to investing into cryptocurrency, when it comes to investing into stocks, into all sorts of investment vehicles. So for you to have a 20 mil net worth and not have anyone in your network that, can't really advise you correctly when it comes to cryptocurrency, that is very, very appalling in my opinion, personally. You need to fix that up. And again, if you have to give them 5%, that's great. Because again, at least they'll tell you exactly when to get out of the trade and when to get in. That's what you needed. So again, the fact that you don't have any, anyone there giving advice, you're just winging it by yourself, is very, very funny to see. Because again, you're dealing with big funds. You can be 10 M's up easily. Give them 5%. That ain't much. 500K, you're still 10 M's up. Your net worth will be 30 mil, if so. So again, I do believe you should have had some sort of financial advisor, someone advising you, Not having control of your account, no, don't get me wrong, no. They won't have access to your keys, your hard wallet, no. But at least advising you, keeping you updated with what's going on in the market. Nero, for example, Crypto Nero, he told me beforehand, 3 weeks before Bitcoin crashed, he knew he expected it to crash. He showed me analysis. So I prepared and made some positions. I made some changes to my portfolio. So, you know, that's something you should have really looked into. That's one of the second mistakes you made, and that's what's caused you to lose 7 mil. Now, believe it or not, this guy was leveraging. He was leveraging now. So when I was reading the article, it actually states that he was leveraging the money, so he got liquidated. That's how he lost all his money. You're probably thinking, oh, it's a spot trade, but no. He over leveraged and, you know, he got liquidated from the crash. Again, if you had a financial advisor, you probably would have been advised elsewhere. And furthermore, guys, leverage products, when it comes to leverage trading, this is very, very highly speculative products. And people even try to refer it to gambling. Now, again, I don't know why you thought you could try to do this by yourself and invest and think you could become, you know, the next Bitcoin millionaire, billionaire. Again, this is where the financial advisor show came in. But with leveraging, again, this all comes down to greed. It's a human nature. It's just a part of human nature. It's just how it is. I can't blame you though. This is your first bull run, as you say, because again, you invested in November or December of 2020. So I can't blame you. I mean, in my first bull run, I made some mistakes as well. In my first bull run, I invested in Ethereum and I held it all the way through. Well, I was hodling all the way through the all-time highs. And it came crashing down, and I still hodl it till today, believe it or not. But again, when it comes to your first bull run, yeah, you might have been aside and you thought, yeah, this is gonna make me a lot of money. I'm gonna be so rich, so I guess so. But again, leveraging with 2 mil, me personally, I don't know if that's something I would do, but you know, if I had that type of cash, spot is okay. I mean, you invest 2 mil, you turn into 10. That's a nice flip. I don't know what made you feel like, you know, that wasn't enough and you wanted to over leverage and borrow more money to then make more money. I don't know what made you feel like you needed more. But again, greed. I ain't gonna blame you. It's your first bull run. But one thing I gotta give you, KSI, you know, you got some solid sources of income. You got YouTube, you got over 23 million subscribers, and you got another account as well. So you got a big reach. You know, you got music. Bro, you can just release another EP. Actually, I think you just released another album this other day, All the Other Way or something. You had features from Polo G, Trippie Reds. To be fair, I can't lie, yeah, you got some other, you know, sources of income back. You can run that back up anyway in no time. And I like the fact that, you know, you're not really burnt over losing all this money. You know, it's a lesson to be learned. You know, you live and you learn, and I can't get onto you for that. You get what I'm saying? But and also you got sponsorships. You got sponsorships and boxing. Bro, you could go fight Logan Paul again and make another 1, 2, 3 M's. Nah, you be good, man. You be good. At least you understand. At least you understand where you went wrong, because again, you live and you learn, and wisdom is one of the best teachers. Experience. Now you can live to tell the tale, and when the next bull run comes, you'll be more prepared. You know exactly what to do. So, in that sense, I can't lie. I think you're pretty good. You can run that up, man. It's not a problem. And furthermore, your fan base will make you the #1 if you dropped another, with this recent album you just dropped. I think you probably go #1, #2, easily in the UK. So your last album went #1, so again, you'll make that money back in no time. And furthermore, I know you're into property. KSI has a net worth, when it comes to property, his property portfolio is over $10 million. He has over 10 properties, renting them out, no mortgage. I think he bought them all outright, I believe. So again, in terms of that, you're good. You're good. You don't have to worry about that. And that's one thing I like. You prepared yourself. So even though you lost this money, you're still good. Your money is still long. So that's the thing. But again, I feel like the lessons that you guys can learn from this video is that, to begin with, a lot of people's percentage numbers are different, okay? KSI's 100% is 2 mil. Someone else's 100% is only 2K. Now, this is why, you know, the big guys, Warren Buffett and all these big investors, they all preach that you should invest in the S&P 500 because it gives you a return of 8 to 10% per year. Now, a lot of you guys are going to be saying, oh, that's boring, 8 to 10% per year, that's shit. Like, why would I do that? That's a waste of time when I can go invest in crypto and make 100%. Guys, Warren Buffett is playing with billions. This ain't 7 figures, it ain't 8 figures, it ain't 9 figures, we're talking 10 figures. 10 figures he's playing with. 10% of 1 billion is 100 mil. So his 10% is bigger than KSI's 100%. So as you grow with your investment size, again, it changes. You can't just be making all these crazy investments. Your risk appetite changes. When you're trying to invest such money, it's not the same. It doesn't work like that. So again, when it came to investing, I think you should be more realistic with your goals, not just hoping to just make a lot of money and just cash out whenever you felt like it. At this point, I don't even know if you would have cashed out. I don't know if you would have. But then again, if you're trading, if you're investing with leveraged money, then clearly you must have some sort of goal. But yeah, man, I hope you lot can learn from, the mistakes that KSI has made. These things happen to everyone, happens to the best of us. And I gotta respect the fact that he came out and just, explained that on, online in an article or in a podcast or whatever you did. But yeah, man, I hope you lot enjoy that video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you want more of these type of videos, or if there's any more topics you want me to talk about, do comment down below. You already know how it goes. It's Poku Banks, baby.